It's raining heavily.
Yeah. Can we go drink some coffee?
Yeah, sure, sounds great. Look at the streets. It's raining heavily. I'll have coffee.
Me too.
Well, Sammy, how do you say rain in Arabic?
It's matar.
Matar.
Yes, matar. Can you spell it, Adam?
Well, it starts with meme, then ta, matar, then ra.
Excellent, Adam.
And how do you say road in Arabic?
It's طريق.
طريق.
Great. Nice work, Adam.
Oh, look at the poor cat in the street.
Oh, poor cat.
By the way, what does cat mean in Arabic?
Cat means قط.
قط.
Yes. Can you spell it, Adam?
It starts with qaf and then ta, right?
Excellent, Adam. Good job. You're making good progress with your course.
Hi all. Today we're going to learn two letters, each having a point of articulation. Kaf and qaf. This is how we write it. Kaf. How to pronounce the letters with short vowels. Fath, kasr, and dam. Ka. Ki. Ku. This is how we write kaf at the beginning of the word, like this example. Kareem, which means generous. This is how we write kaf at the middle of the word, like this example. Aks, which means contrary. This is how we write kaf at the end of the word, like this example. Malik, which means king. Let's see the next letter. This is how we write it. Qaf. How to pronounce the letters with short vowels. Fath, kasr, and dam. Qa. Qi. Qu. This is how we write qaf at the beginning of the word, like this example. Qalb, which means heart. This is how we write qaf at the middle of the word, like this example. Faqir, which means poor. This is how we write qaf at the end of the word, like this example. Saq, which means leg.